Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to make a header transparent in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you want to go ahead and log into your Shopify account. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. You can access your store. As you can see, we have all the sections right here, such as home, orders, products, and so on. And now we can get started. So guys, for today's video, we are going to be using this tutorial right here that you can find that says how to make a transparent header in Shopify. Here we can go ahead and get started with the steps. I'm going to guide you quickly through them so that you know what to do. Basically, guys, we are first going to open up our themes code editor. So we're going to open up our Shopify admin and go to online store and then themes. So you can find your online store right here, the left side screen. Under sales channel, you can find online store, and here you have your themes section. So you want to open up the themes. After opening up themes, guys, you want to find the theme you want to edit and click actions and then click edit code. So here I have my down theme that I have. What we can do is click the three dots right here. As you can see, this is now going to open up this new menu of options we can access, and one of them is going to be called edit code. So you want to open up edit code. In the edit code option, guys, now we can go ahead and navigate to the sections folder. So here we're going to go ahead and find the sections folder. So you want to go ahead and search for it, and here is our sections folder that you can open up. And now we can go ahead and find header.liquid or some similarly named file. So I'm going to search for header, guys. You can see here I have my header, footer, and so on. And now can find my header liquid file, and here it is. And guys, this is now my code option where you can see I can get started with adding custom CSS for transparency. So what we can do, guys, is go ahead and locate the style tag or create one if it doesn't exist. And after that, insert the following CSS code. And guys, this CSS code is going to enable us to add transparency to your header. So go ahead and paste this into your CSS code right here. And as you can see, you can follow the rest of the steps right here, where you want to go ahead and ensure the visibility of navigation links, add this code as well, and save your changes. And after saving the changes, guys, you can go ahead and go back to your website, and you'll be noticing that your header is now transparent. But yeah, guys, basically that is how to do it works. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.